Hi everybody, welcome to DRD allotments. Today we're going to be putting some plants in, so I'll take you across, show you what we're going to do, then I'll set the tripod up and do a video of it doing. So back in a tick. Okay, so I've got these to go in. There's 6 sprouts, 3, I forgot what they're called. Three, three, 3 courgettes and 3 I forgot the names. I'll tell you later. But, so courgettes, 6 sprouts and 3 they're like a cabbage, but they're not a cabbage. So I'll tell you the name when I get them in. So I'm going to set the tripod up and show you that. So before that, we'll show you what Dano's going to be doing. Right, Dano's going to clear this area, leave that flower in. Yeah. And if he's got time, he's going to try and clear the area next to the pond, so we can get that sorted. So we'll see how things go on later on today. If I do put any more plants in anywhere else, I'll show you. So back soon. Okay, I hope you can see. I'm going to start here first. Size is lovely. It's one. Get rid of some of these roots. Two. Keel, that's what they were. I want me to throw it. So that's the courgettes in. See what these keel are like in the pots. I know the wife had said they once. But that's one keel in. It's another keel in. A bit too deep. Another one in. Now, hope you can see okay. I'm now going to put that. That's 2 in. So I'm going to carry on doing these in. I'll get some, bring the nasturtiums out, and then I'll put some of them in. Okay, what I'm doing now is I'm going to put some nasturtiums in between. These will help keep the butterflies off and stop them laying the eggs on the plants. So I'll get some along here, and I'll get some along there, some along the front, 1 or 2 in the middle. So that's what's in these modules, nasturtiums. So I'll finish getting these in. A couple along the front, along, try and get a couple in the middle, and then we'll give the bed a good watering, and then I'll find a cover for the bed. So it's one bed nearly done, which I'm happy with. Okay, that's them in. Now going to get some water. Give it a good watering. Might need 2 lots. That's one lot. Okay, that's that done. So what I'm going to do now, look, I've got some Enviro mesh and I hope it's big enough. There you go, I'm going to get that. Got a knife? It's tough, isn't it?
Yeah.
Might be one in it. So we're just getting a knife to get this open. It's big enough, it's expensive. Not cheap, this stuff.
No. Wow.
Yeah, wow.
I don't think it's going to be big enough.
Which way?
Yeah, I think that, yeah.
You sure?
Keep going.
Where's the ends?
That's right. Right, move that pork over to you because that's the end there. And I've got loads this end. You have to go over the camera.
Huh?
You have to move the camera back, won't you?
Still loads that end.
Got loads still at this end. You've still got loads in.
Okay, I'm just moving you back a bit.
Well done.
Right. Just need something to see with some bricks. Actually, that side can go down further, can't it?
Yeah, good. Good. That side over there. Watch the spikes.
Oh, there's bricks here. Right, won't be to fix that end down.
You can fix it back.
Eh?
Get another board from the board
What?
from the back there.
There's one there. Is that a smaller one? Will that go to the front?
Yeah. that might be actually smaller.
Flaming hell. Flaming hell. This is massive.
Yeah, I said there was loads of room.
Okay, there's that done, all covered. Okay, Danny's been clear on this area. It now just needs a good turning over, and I'll let this into the back as well.
Just needs trimming, I'm going to do that in a minute.
And that'll be that done. And I think one more little sort of other job to do. This blinking needs weeding. Is we need to look at seeing if we can get the sweet corn in. So we're going to have to measure this bed out ready for it. So we'll show you that when it's done, because as I say, I'm running out of battery on this, so I've got to be careful because it's got my bus ticket going home. But we'll do that and I'll show you it, then I'll give you a tour. Okay, there's a not sweet corn, corn on a cob. Hi, sweet corn. Hi. Hi. There's a sweet corn in. So I'm going to eventually plant some flowers around the outside. So basically I've now just got to work out what I'm going to do with the, I've got cauliflower to put in, and I've got cabbage to put in, so I may put them in that bed. I've got carrots to put in, leeks to put in, so I may put them in that bed. That bed there is growing salad stuff, which is starting to come up. It's only half a bed done, because the back of the bed I was going to do carry-ons. Plus I didn't know whether the sun was going to get to the back of the bed, so I'll have to water that. So that's that then. So I'll say, well, I'll give you a quick tour. There's where rhubarb, there's where strawberries, shot down from the garden like from here. So I'll say goodbye and thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next time. So bye for now.
Down the DRD allotment, grafting in the sun, seeds in the soil and the growing's just begun. Greenhouse warm and the bed's all neat. Nothing beats fresh veg you've grown to eat. Dig it, plant it, watch it grow. Bit graft a day, harvest tomorrow. Like, subscribe before ye gan. DRD allotments, see you next